Hi, hello, what's up, guys? This is your Veera from the Software Services. Welcome to the TSS. And in today's class, we will discuss something about Jupyter Notebooks. Okay, let's dive into the topic, man. Okay, now first discuss about what is Jupyter Notebook is all about. Okay, yeah. See, what is Jupyter Notebook? Why we have to study Jupyter Notebook? First of all, we have to know what we are going to do. Okay, some whats, ifs, buts, hows, everything we have to know. These are basic things we have to know about. Okay, so what is a Jupyter Notebook? Jupyter Notebook is very simple, guys. Very simple. It's very fantastic editor software interface. Okay, it's an open source web application so that allows you to create, share your code. Not only code, apart from your code, interactive code, it will permit you to comment, to mark down some big texts. So not only texts, it will give you some visualizations, narrations, okay, cleaning, transformation, all at one place. Okay, what's happening, guys, normally, uh, in the case of say PyCharms or some other editors, some VS Code like that. So there is only we have to comment it. So by hash symbols, okay, some triple quotes like that. But in Jupyter Notebook, there is a provision for big markdowns, colorings, everything. So it's just like your notebook. Whatever you do in the notebook, you assume. So you will underline the favorite sentences which you like, important sentences which you like. So you can bold the text, okay, in the middle of the book, the text you are writing, like that. All those things will do it in this Jupyter Notebook. So it's a very fantastic open source web application to run our Python code interactively. Okay, so after seeing the installation and running, we'll come to know how comfortable the Jupyter Notebook is to run the Python code. Not only Python code, it will support many languages. Okay, so let's now first see what is a Jupyter Notebook. So simply, the Jupyter Notebook is an open source web application that allows you to create and share documents that contain live code, equations, visualizations, and narrative text. Users include data cleaning and transformation, numerical simulations, statistical modeling, data visualization, machine learning, and much more. So very powerful Jupyter Notebook it is. Okay, for running Python codes, for visualizations and whatnot. It's a very famous editor, code editor come markdown tool in the hands of almost every big short companies, guys. Okay, so we need to know this Jupyter Notebook to work in this notebook. We definitely need to know how it works, what is all about the Jupyter Notebook is. Okay, so this is a simple introduction about Jupyter Notebook. In the next tutorial, we will see why Jupyter Notebook, why only Jupyter Notebook. There are so many code editors out there, but why Jupyter Notebook? So in the next class we will discuss it. Okay, Up to then, bye bye. Yours Vera.